Lads, welcome to another video here on Squadding Quads. It is the 11th of... No, wait, what is the date? It's not the 11th. It's the 6th of the 11th. Oh, well. It's the 6th of the 11th, and Banggood are having a mega sale. So we've partnered with them to bring you some information on that, and also to bring you one of the products that I think is probably one of the best things in that sale. Now, this video was recorded a few weeks ago. The weather has been terrible ever since, so we've not been able to fly it. But you know me, we'll make a video and we'll fly it because that's just what we do. But because of the way the weather has been, it's been terrible. So I'm going to move this microphone out of the way and I'm going to ask BoyWonderFPV to throw it at me, so at least it's technically flown in this video. Right, hang on. Yo! This is the Hewing H1, Hunter H1. It's a plug-and-play version, and it's white. So, we'll unbox it this way, and you get some stickers, so that makes the purchase price instantly worth it. Then in here you've got another box for the Hunter, which includes... Should we have a look at what this box actually includes? Like I say, it's been an absolute horrendous time for the weather. You've got one of them, and oh, you have wings. Yikes. We'll grab that in a second. So because it's a plug and play version, it is literally plug and play. So if we just... Yeah. So you've got yourself a wing. You've got two wings, which is brilliant for an aeroplane, because one wing would be a problem. You've got the servo already built in. You just need to add the control rods and the prop. But for anybody that doesn't know what the Hewing Hunter 1 is, it's actually, and you can probably hear Boy Wonder in a second say, oh, but it's actually a dual engine. So you've got two motors. You plug them in, and it offers incredible efficiency. And I know I haven't flown it, so I can only go off what other people I know who have one say about them. And they all said it's absolutely brilliant. So that is that, and we're just going to pop... Anyway, moving on. And then here is the second box. Yeah. Yes, technically this is the first box because it has a 1 on it. Been put in my place today by BoyWonderFPV, and here is, again, you can hear the... Ooh.
Before I see that,
okay,
I'm going to take a guess of what it is. Cessna Caravan.
A Cessna Caravan or a Cessna Grand Caravan?
Grand Caravan.
You're wrong. Anyway, moving on. And there is your fuselage. Now this, I believe, is a 2S. So... Again, super efficient. We've got extra bits and bobs in there. So what we'll do is we'll move over to the table and we'll just sort of put it all together. Like I say, the maiden flight is going to have to wait for a week or two just because of the weather. But I really wanted to bring this video to you guys today because of the fact Banggood are having that massive sale. If you check on my community post, I've got all the links listed there. So you may have already seen them because I posted them this morning. This video is going to be posted tonight because it's the night time now that I'm posting it. This is where you have to do join up thinking. You have to think when... It's a problem for me. Anyway, let's move on. You're going to see a lot more content of this in the coming weeks because this thing will just stay airborne for a very long time. And I think it's only fair that we stick a DJI system in it. Right, let's carry on. So she's now together on my desk, and it is so easy to build. You literally put your servo horns in here, you put your props in here. The only bit of glue that you're going to need is to glue these servo horns into the wings over here like this. Just need to push that one down a little bit. And then it's a case of once it's all dried, just adjusting the servo horns. These are not in the right position at all, but I just wanted to put them together to show you how quick and easy it is. But I just wanted to put them all together to finish it off, just to show what it looks like as a finished build. I mean, this is literally servo horns. It's a 2-second job. We'll adjust them, we'll make them right, we'll sort it out. We'll get the recommended 2S battery. We'll probably put an FPV system in it, and all that will come in a future video. But let's just pop out to the field and do something with it. So I'm out at the field with BoyWonderFPV. This is the Hewing H1. There's the tree. Let's do the maiden flight. BoyWonderFPV. Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, we haven't actually put a battery or a receiver in it yet. So, but that was a maiden flight. You've seen it fly, and buy one. Yes, let's go. So, BoyWonder and I I've had a bit of a laugh and a bit of a joke with this, but it is a really nice and super easy to put together model. We are just waiting to stick an FPV in it and to get the right battery, but also to get a little bit better weather. It's actually not too bad today, but it has been horrendous. But I wanted to bring you this today on the day of the Banggood sales, because this and other stuff is gone crazy sales, and I don't want to keep it all to myself. I want you guys to enjoy big discounts as well. So check in the description down below, there's about 50 links. Some of them are not necessarily what they purport to be, so some of them might say like RC car and it turns out to be RC tools, so you might just have to click through them, but just bear with it. It's just one of those things. There are some really good bargains to be had. Grab them before they run out of stock. Got any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments down below and you will see lots of flying of this H1 Hunter from Hewing real soon. Until next time guys, thanks for watching and peace out. YouTube and I have had a chat and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.